Alright everyone, welcome to our first lesson in mathematics. We'll be looking at polynomial functions and precisely addition and subtraction. Let's head into and see what we have in the course. Our first question is giving us f of x equals minus x plus x raised to the power 4 plus 2 minus x exponent 3 plus x exponent 2. And g of x is also giving us 3x squared minus 5 plus 2x cubed. So let's calculate I to iv as shown in the question. Now the first question we solved that since we're supposed to find f of x plus g of x, what we do is that we write the expression for f of x, which is clearly shown here, followed by plus, that's addition to the expression for g of x, which is also shown over here. Now we remove the bracket, that's this bracket, and then rearrange or group them into like terms. So as in, we pair all the x raised to the power 4s, we pair all the x raised to the power 3s, we pair all the x raised to the power 2, and it goes on. So you're going to get x raised to the power 4 minus x raised to the power 3 plus 2x raised to the power 3 plus x squared plus 3x squared minus x plus 2 and minus 5. These are the constant. So you do the addition carefully. You know, the minus s cubed and the plus 2s cubed gives us plus s cubed shown over here, and also the x squared plus 3s squared gives us 4s squared shown over here, and the minus x appears here, and 2 minus 5 gives us minus 3. So that is the first question. The second question here asks us to find f of x minus g of x. Similarly, we write the expression for f of x as shown here by the laser pointer, and also followed by minus, that's the subtraction sign, and then the expression for g of x, which is 3x squared minus 5 plus 2x cubed. So the first thing is always to expand, that's remove the bracket, and take note of the negative sign in front of the bracket, so it affects all the terms inside the bracket here, that's for g of x, and we end up with x to the power 4 minus s cubed minus 2s cubed plus s squared minus 3s squared minus x plus 2 minus 5. That is, we have also grouped into like terms where we pair all the 4s, all the 3s, all the power 2s, and the constant. So we'll end up with x to the power 4 minus 3s cubed minus 2s squared minus x plus 7. Now the third question asks us to find f of x minus 2g of x. This is similar to the second question, just that the g of x is being doubled, or it has multiplied by the number 2. So we write the expression for f of x, which is shown by the laser pointer, and now g of x will multiply by negative 2. So that is also captured here, minus 2 into bracket 3s squared minus 5 plus 2s cubed. And now we expand the bracket where we remove the minus 2. So minus 2 should affect every term in the bracket, and we'll end up with minus 6s squared plus 10 and then minus 4s cubed. When we finish, we group into like terms where we pair all the power 4, pair all the power 3, pair all the power 2, and the power 1 and the constant. So we're going to end up with x raised to the power 4 minus x cubed minus 4s cubed plus s squared minus 6s squared minus x and then plus 2 and plus 10. Now we see that the x4 is only 1, it appears 1, so x raised to the power 4, and also minus the x cubed, we have minus s cubed minus 4s cubed, so that gives us minus 5s cubed, and then the s squared, we have s squared minus 6s squared, that also gives us minus 5s squared, and also minus x appears only 1, so that's minus x here, and for the constant 2 plus 10, that gives us 12. So that will be the answer. So we go to our last question, which tells us to find 3f of x minus g of x. Now take note that the expression for f of x is being multiplied by 3. So that gives us minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6 minus 3x cubed plus 3x squared, and the expression for g of x is being multiplied by negative 1. So minus 1 affects all the terms in the expression for g of x. That gives us minus 3x squared plus 5 minus 2x cubed. Now we group them into like terms. So we end up with 3x raised to the power 4 minus 3x cubed minus 2x raised to the power 3 minus 3x plus 6 plus 5. Now the 3x squared disappeared because we have plus 3x and minus 3x. That gives us 0, so it disappears in the expression. And minus 3x cubed here and minus 2x cubed gives us minus 5x cubed. So we end up with 3x4 minus 5x cubed minus 3x plus 11. I hope you have understood solution, and try these questions on your own. It's a practice question, and the answer is shown over here. The answer should be 4x to the power 4 plus 4x cubed minus 9x squared minus 4x plus 20. Just give it a try, and I know you can answer it. Now kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you don't miss the next class. Thank you.